the type to be next. I'm the type to be cut. I'm the type to make a nigga regret that he slept.
In every minute, man, I swear that she can get it safe.
The hoes gonna love this. Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and I'm back in another video. You can tell from the title. So today you guys, I'll be doing the next Updo hairstyle, but this time it's like it's one of them that is really trending. The girls been wearing it. It look more like when you go to a prom, when you go, I feel like when you go into like a event of some sort that's like a wedding, it gives wedding vibes. So I'm gonna insert a picture right here. It's similar to the last one, so it's gonna look the same. So I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys could get a gist of what I'm going to do. I'm gonna attempt to do it. I'm not sure because I have a wig right now in my head with this color and everything. So all right, let's get into this video. I have to do lay my edges down because nobody coming on here, they edges not laid. If it's not laid, you need to go on a bed and wake up and go lay them edges. Because why is your edges not laid? You know what I mean? But yeah, I had to lay my edges and stuff before I even start this video because like it make no sense. It make no sense why y'all act the way y'all act.
And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. It's the freaking me I want. I wanna fall in love for the weekend. 3 boyfriends, I don't know where I'm staying. We be coming, go to Rome, so we that's a secret. No, my cousin info, give us info. You know what you care about. Could I come again? Let you up with the key code. This ice on, what do you think? Got your info. You got everything that I like. You don't need a booty, you lying. You mix the liquors, you lying.
Girl, I was not prepared for this. So as y'all see in the video, I did curl the top of the hair and then I did this little bun because I don't know how they get it to stay up. I just feel like you need like a base and that's like my base. So.
My hair man, serving my shoes and my clothes, my phone man. But I ain't tripping if it rain, cause it came with them brothers to get with them. I got them sending millions on my birthday. I ain't never met them. Nigga coming up my birthday. Looking on my pics, so I know you looking perfect. Crush on the it boy, when I'm in the worst way. Just for the dice, only slow in the nickname. I sing, ooh la la. Take them edges out the draw. But then she take the wall. Call me close, ooh, so
Alright, so y'all, this is the finished look. I'm about to do my makeup.
I be so bored myself and you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments.
This side, y'all, is not really curling like I wanted to curl, so I'm not gonna fuss and fight with it. And the hair looks good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.